Welcome back to Rajeshwari Deals. Today, we are diving into the JBL Xtreme 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. With its powerful Pro sound, enhanced bars radiators, and rugged IP67 build, this speaker promises top-tier performance for music lovers on the go. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's carefully unbox the JBL Xtreme 4 to see everything that's included in this package. As we open the box, we are immediately greeted by the speaker itself, which commands attention with its bold and durable design, a high-quality charging cable that's built to last and ensures you'll stay powered up whenever needed, a detailed user manual filled with helpful instructions and tips for getting the most out of your speaker, and a sturdy carrying strap that enhances its portability, making it easy to bring along for any adventure. From the very first glance, we are struck by the solid and rugged build of the JBL Xtreme 4, clearly designed for demanding outdoor use, and the striking camo finish adds an extra layer of style and uniqueness, setting it apart from the usual portable speakers and giving it an adventurous, ready-for-anything look that truly stands out. Engineered to handle a variety of challenging conditions, the JBL Xtreme 4 features an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, which not only makes it perfectly suited for all types of environments, whether you're braving the rain, heading to the beach, or trekking through dusty trails, but also reassures you that the speaker can endure unexpected weather or rugged surroundings without compromising its performance. This durability is further enhanced by a solid, well-constructed build that feels substantial and secure when held, giving you confidence in its resilience, and, as an added bonus, the inclusion of a replaceable battery means you won't need to worry about limited lifespan, as you can extend its usability over many years, making it an ideal long-term investment for those seeking a portable speaker that can truly keep up with an active lifestyle. Let's check the standout features. AI Sound Boost adapts audio. It has a power bank for charging, and you can link multiple speakers with auracast. Let's jump into the sound test. The JBL Xtreme 4 delivers JBL Pro sound, offering powerful bass radiators and crisp highs. To give you a real sense of its range, we'll play some tracks across genres like pop, hip-hop, and rock, so you can hear the bass depth and vocal clarity that this speaker brings. With up to 15 hours of playtime, the Xtreme 4 is built for long listening sessions. And thanks to USB-C fast charging, you'll be back to full power quickly. A replaceable battery also means you can extend the speaker's life even further. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: powerful sound, rugged build with IP67 rating, replaceable battery, and versatile connectivity features. On the downside, at $27,999, the price may feel a bit high, and it's a bit bulky for carrying everywhere. Overall, the JBL Xtreme 4 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable, high-quality Bluetooth speaker with powerful audio and smart features. For music lovers and adventurers, it offers a great balance of durability, sound, and convenience. If the JBL Xtreme 4 is the right fit for you, check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more reviews and tech unboxings from Rajeshwari Deals.